HydraMaster is excited to announce that our team is coming to meet you. We are headed out in all different directions for hands-on demonstrations of all our products, truck mounts, tools and wands, and chemical solutions. We want you to have a chance to put your hands on a HydraMaster. The HydraMaster Mobile Demonstration Center is a trailer-mounted interactive cleaning center with two of our most popular HydraMaster Flight and truck mounts installed and ready for you to see, touch, feel, and most importantly, use for yourself. You see, part of having the truck mount that is perfectly fitted for your business means we want to understand exactly what kind of cleaning and restoration challenges your company faces daily. While you are at the event looking at the truck mounts, you will have a chance to see and use the full line of HydraMaster Evolution wands, including the lightweight #1 selling Evolution Stair Wand. You can experience rotary extraction cleaning with the RX20 Next Gen Rotary Extractor, and you will have a chance to try the newest version of the HydraMaster DryMaster upholstery tool. You can see the innovative HydraShelf adjustable shelving system. Best of all, a HydraMaster Solutions and Product Applications Specialist, Sean Basalin, will be there in person to lead you through a set of problem-solving chemical solutions for surface cleaning, stain removal, and pet urine stain and odor elimination. He will have free samples for you to take home and try out, and even some HydraMaster bling just for fun. Sometimes the HydraMaster Mobile Demonstration Center will be at a HydraMaster distributor location. Sometimes he will just be dropping by a town near you and setting up. And sometimes he will be at a regional or national event like the Experience Trade Show. When you see Sean at an event, ask him about his exceptional group he is putting together, Club HydraMaster. Keep an eye out for the HydraMaster Mobile Demonstration Center. It will be being pulled by the HydraCoach RV. If you see it rolling down the road anywhere in the United States in between events, take a quick picture of it with your camera and post it to social media with the hashtag HMRoadshow. We'll mail you a free HydraMaster shirt or hat just for saying hi. It could be anywhere in the United States, so keep your eyes open and your camera ready. Are you wanting the HydraMaster Mobile Demonstration Center to visit a distributor or town near you? Click on the QR code on the screen or visit www.hydramaster.com/roadshow. You will see the upcoming schedule of events. Even better, you can request a visit to your town or area. There is a form for you to request a stop quickly and easily. Get all the other local cleaners and restorers to vote for your town or area on that page, and the town or area that gets the most votes will be included in a future roadshow. Scan the QR code or visit hydramaster.com/roadshow to check our schedule or request a visit. Also, part of the HydraMaster Roadshow is the CDS 4.8 SV direct drive truck mount demonstration van. It will be traveling from event to event too. It will be decked out with the HydraCradle 125-gallon freshwater tank hose reel combination, so you can see exactly what productivity and profitability is all about. You will see for yourself just how powerful this latest version of the CDS is, and learn about the many security and safety features you may have overlooked while you are using it for yourself. Plus, because there is so much room left in the back of the van, the CDS 4.8 SV direct drive truck mount demonstration van is completely decked out and equipped with all of the full line of Evolution wands, the RX20 Next Gen Rotary Extractor, and the DryMaster High Flow Continuous Cleaning Trigger-Free Upholstery Tool. They are not just there for you to look at and admire. We want you to hook them to the truck mount and use them for yourself. The demo van will also have some free chemical samples and HydraMaster bling for you to take home. You will see it at distributor CAD days and events all over the country, as well as regional and national industry trade shows and events. Are you wondering when the CDS 4.8 SV direct drive truck mount demonstration van will visit a distributor or town near you? Click on the QR code on the screen or visit www.hydramaster.com/roadshow. You will see the upcoming schedule of events. In the meantime, if you just cannot wait for the roadshow to come see you, our sales team will be happy to collaborate with you now to find the truck mount that is perfectly fitted for your company. Click on the QR code on the screen or visit and fill out the form. An experienced truck mount specialist on our team will reach out to you and answer your questions and help you get a quote from your chosen HydraMaster distributor. They can help you with vans and finance packages too. Do not let another busy season go flying by without investing in the future of your company. Contact us today.